Hey there guys, welcome to my video today. So I just want to give you a bit of an update on the Faceless Flipping. Now I've had this account for about a month now and it's going really well. And I've had quite a few videos that have just gone boom out there. So I think my last one that I did was about 615k. So that's incredible. But that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. The reason why I'm doing this video is because today I'm going to be creating a video using the AI software. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is with this Faceless Flipping, okay? So they give you everything that you need in the back office. So I'm just going to show you in the Diamond. This is the Diamond membership, by the way, okay? So the Diamond membership, you get everything in the back office. Like this, okay? So at the moment, I am creating, here we go. So I'm creating a video. So I'm creating 12 5-second clips that work the best, okay? This has been tried and tested. So this is what they're telling you to do here. So they're saying about putting video prompts into this. So the video prompts, you can try and come up with the video prompts yourself, but when you've got AI out there, a bit like ChatGPT, why not just go to ChatGPT and then type in? I'm just going to show you what I typed in. So I'm on, what one am I on at the moment? Number 7. So I'm just uploading everything in there. So I typed in, write me 12 separate prompts for a text to image AI software about the Gnome Secret Christmas Adventures in great details. So it's done the job. It wrote me all these things out here. So all I've got to do is, actually, what number is this am I on here? So as you can see, I've been putting the prompts in. So I'm on number 7. So I think I've already highlighted number 7. So I'm going to click Control and C after highlighting it. There you go. This is how easy it is to create a video. So this is like done for you. So they go ahead and then they take all the video prompts and then they put it all into their AI software that generates the videos, and normally within about 24 hours get the video back to you. So I'm just showing you here exactly what I'm doing. So number 10. So I've got 2 more prompts to put in. So as you can see, I'm just literally copying and pasting from ChatGPT straight into the video prompt software. Then after you've done that, you click this blue button that says Submit Video Request. Please make sure, yeah, okay, so it's all done. And then what happens is it will tell you that they're going to be working on it between the next 24 hours to 36 hours, okay? That's when the video is going to be completed. And as you can see here, I've had some videos already done for me. So as you can see, I've created a Faceless Flipping video using ChatGPT, and I've used their video creating software, which is an AI engine as well, which is going to be creating my video for me. And then they're going to send it back to me. So then I can post up on my TikTok shop, or TikTok, shall I say. I haven't got a TikTok shop yet. So how easy was that?